like first to introduce myself. My name is host Efren Olaso. I will be your master of ceremony for the whole night, and hopefully you will enjoy the rest of the evening with me and your entire colleagues. Guys, one more time, can I ask another round of applause from all of you? There you go. Tonight will be a night of music, a night of surprises, a night of glitz and glamour, as we of course end the year with a bang. Now, ladies and gents, this time I would just like to give you a short highlights of what to happen tonight. So first, for the past 1 year, I know some of the employees here are dedicated and motivated. So we would like also to award or give some couple of awards for the deserving employees for the year. Also, since it's gonna be a Christmas season, we would also want to give some sort of prizes sa mga maswerteng employees for the night. That being said, we would like also to give some raffle prizes to all of our employees. Palakpakan naman po. And last but not the least, this is not just showing how great you are in your craft as engineers, as designers, or what, but this is gonna be the night showing out-of-the-box talent of Lycopodium employees. So we will witness some performances tonight. And I've heard all of you are very competitive, though the prize is not such that big. Is that correct? Yes. So we also invited a couple of panel of judges, of course, to vote, to select and judge all of the performances. So one more time, another big round of applause.